Hello everyone. In this presentation, I will explain how to distinguish facts from opinions in academic texts. This topic is essential for developing critical thinking and strengthening academic credibility. I will analyze three short texts and identify which statements are factual and which are opinion-based. Okay? What is a fact? A fact is a verifiable statement supported by evidence or reliable sources. Facts are objective, measurable, and based on data. In academic writing, facts increase credibility because they are supported by research and institutional reports. For example, scientific temperature records reported by NASA are considered factual because they are based on empirical data. What is an opinion? An opinion expresses personal judgment, interpretation, or evaluation. Opinions often include subjective language and cannot be directly measured. In academic contexts, opinions must be supported with evidence to avoid bias and maintain objectivity. Recognizing subjective language is key to distinguishing it from factual information. Text 1. Climate change. In the first test, NASA reports that global temperatures have increased by approximately 1.1 degrees Celsius since the 19th century. This statement is a fact because it is supported by long-term scientific research. However, the claim that society is irresponsibly contributing to planetary degradation is an opinion. It reflects moral judgment rather than measurable evidence. This showed how a test can combine both objective data and subjective evaluation. Test number 2. Online education. The second test states that UNESCO reports digital platforms have expanded access to education worldwide. This is a factual statement supported by institutional research. However, the idea that online education is the most effective instructional model represents an opinion. It expresses interpretation and requires additional evidence to be academically validated. Text number 3. Health and physical activity. The third text explains that the World Health Organization indicates regular physical activity reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease. This is a verifiable fact supported by medical research. However, stating that individuals who do not exercise like responsibility is an opinion because it expresses moral evaluation. Again, we see difference between evidence-based claims and subjective interpretation. Why distinguishing facts from opinions matters. Distinguishing facts from opinions is fundamental in academic writing. Facts strengthen arguments and improve credibility. Identifying opinions help prevent bias and promotes critical analysis. Fact-checking and evaluation allow students to construct stronger, more objective academic arguments. This activity improved my analytical reading skill. I learned to carefully evaluate information and distinguish evidence-based statements from subjective language. Developing this skill strengthens academic rigor and enhances my ability to produce reliable and well-supported work.